get it, Phil. Let's get it, Phil. Let's get it, Phil.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the New Balance 550 in the white and gray colorway. Now, these definitely have gotten popular in the recent months, and for good reason. It's got a really nice, clean, chunky silhouette. It's got some great colorways, and lastly, it's a good alternative to an Air Force One. Now, these retail for $110, and at the time of recording this video, all of the 550s are sold out on the New Balance website. Third-party online retailers do carry them, but the decent colorways are mostly sold out. On StockX, the prices for these have been steadily going down, which is always good to see. I copped these at my local shoe palace, and they seem to be well stocked. So if you're having a hard time copying these online, definitely check out your local shoe spots. We're going to be checking out the upper, the midsole and outsole, and lastly we're going to be seeing how these hold up on feet. For the upper, we have a multi-paneled leather build with some mesh panels mixed in. We have some nice perforations on the toe. Moving up, we have the flat white laces on a padded mesh tongue. On the tongue, we have some custom New Balance 550 tags with a basketball, which looks really nice. On the side, we have some 550 branding on a perforated leather panel. Speaking of panels, we got lots of paneling on the side that really adds to the chunkiness of the shoe. Then we have that cutout end logo. At the rear, we have another nice New Balance logo to finish off the shoe. Moving up, we have a nicely padded mesh lining that'll definitely feel nice on feet. Next up, looking at the midsole, it's actually an EVA. You can see the EVA exposed on the medial side of the shoe. It feels very soft and marshmallowy. The shoe does have a removable insole. The insole is thick and well padded. It's a porous blue foam with a denser foam reinforcing the heel. It's also slightly cupped and has arch support. The outsole is very chunky looking. We have a mix of white and gray, and we have some more nice New Balance logos on the side of the outsole. The tread pattern also seems to fit well with the shoe. It's got a theme of chunkiness and overall looks really nice. It also says it's non-marking. On feet, I went true to size, and that worked well for me, so I would definitely recommend you go true to size. The shoe didn't feel wide or narrow, it felt pretty regular. I will say that I did have some heel slippage, and I would recommend that you lace them all the way to the top to help minimize that. The leather felt firm but comfortable, and there wasn't too much of a break-in time. They felt ready to go right out of the box. The insole and midsole combination wrapped in that chunky outsole definitely performed well in the comfort department. I felt very shielded from the ground below me. You can definitely wear these all day with no issues. It's a very comfortable shoe. Overall, I'm now definitely a big fan of the shoe. The shoe often gets compared to the Nike Air Force One, with people saying that it's a good alternative, and I can definitely agree with that sentiment. They were both made with the same concept in mind, a chunky hoop shoe, with both being released in the 80s, the 550 being released after the Air Force One in 1989. It was a bit of a failure at the time, but now it's seeing a rebirth with many colorways and collabs to boost its appeal. I would definitely recommend these shoes to anyone who wants an alternative to an Air Force, or especially if you like chunky sneakers. This is definitely one of the best in that category. So let me know, what do you guys think of the sneaker? Is it a good alternative to an Air Force One? Like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.